What if I told you you could save $10,000 faster than you think, even if you're starting from zero? No, you don't need a six-figure salary. No, you don't need to live like a monk. In this video, I'm breaking down a realistic step-by-step strategy that people in the US are using right now to hit 10K fast. And if you stick till the end, I'll show you a simple trick that can cut your timeline in half. Let's get into it. First, let's be real. Saving $10,000 isn't about being good with money. It's about having a system. Most people fail because they try to save what's left over. That never works. Instead, flip it. Pay yourself first. That means every time you get paid, a portion goes straight into savings before you spend anything. Even if it's small, consistency beats everything. Let's make this simple. To save $10,000, in 12 months, you need about $833 per month. In 6 months, about $1,667 per month. In 3 months, about $3,333 per month. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, we're not relying on just cutting expenses. We're combining saving plus earning. That's the real secret. Let's start with cutting expenses, but the smart way. Cut the big leaks. Here's where most Americans overspend. Subscriptions you forgot about, eating out multiple times a week, expensive phone plans, impulse Amazon purchases. Quick challenge. Cancel at least 3 subscriptions today. Cook at home for 5 extra meals per week. That alone can save you $300 to $500 per month. And here's the key. Don't spend that extra money. Move it immediately to savings. Now this is where things get powerful. Cutting expenses is limited, but income is unlimited. If you want to hit $10,000 fast, you need extra cash flow. Here are beginner-friendly options in the US. Freelancing, writing, design, simple AI tasks, selling digital products, Canva templates, ebooks, gig apps, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, flipping items on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Even an extra $500 a week equals $2,000 a month, $10,000 in just 5 months. The goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. Now let's lock it in. You need 2 things. 1. Separate savings account. Don't mix your savings with spending money. 2. Automation. Set up automatic transfers every payday. Even better, rename your savings account, 10K goal. It sounds simple, but it keeps you focused. Also, track your progress weekly. Seeing that number grow? That's motivation. Here's the trick I promised. Use windfall money only for savings. Tax refunds, bonuses, cash gifts. Most people spend it. You don't. Drop it straight into your savings. That alone can knock out 30 to 50% of your goal instantly. Saving $10,000 fast isn't about luck. It's about smart saving, extra income, and consistency. Start today. Even small steps count. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll show you how to turn that 10K into even more money.